रक्षाबंधन का त्यौहार है। बंधा एक रेशम की डोरी में भाई बहन का प्यार है। दिस राखी is dedicated to our Indian Army soldiers. This activity is conducted by Dhruva Foundation, Pune, by Rupali since 5 years, and I have been attending this wonderful celebration since 5 years. I'm Dr. Sunita Chaudhary, and I'm proud to be a part of this Rakhi for Soldier program. This year, on 22nd August 2021, around 200 soldiers, 50 officers, and Brigadier Commander Mr. Dilip Patwardhanji attended this Raksha Bandhan celebration. This function was attended by retired SAP Neelam Jadhav, Mrs. Neeta Dhamale, Bobby Karnani, Muktatai Jagtap, Reshu Agarwal, Hinal Wankhede, Vaishali Kulthe, and Mr. Subodh Saikadkar from the foundation. Around 200 women volunteers for Raksha Bandhan around from Pune city from various backgrounds of the society attended this Raksha Bandhan celebration. Our small group of doctors have attended this program. They call us a Corona warrior, but these soldiers are real warriors. We dedicate our Rakhi to Indian soldiers. Raksha Bandhan, bondage between brother and sister through this fragile silk thread. This depicts the meaning of many deep-rooted things. Indian festival with thoughtful meaning, binding brotherly love and responsibility of protecting and respecting of all women in the society as a sister. Sister prays for long life of brother and his protection through this sacred thread of Rakhi with love, like Sri Krishna and his soul sister Draupadi. This philosophy was followed by King Shivaji Maharaj for a better society and his Swarajya. Looking at the changing mindset of Indian youth due to so-called modern culture, it seems to be needed to revive the rich heritage of Indian festivals and their true meanings. I have been attending this Rakhi for Indian Army Soldiers activity by Dhruv Foundation, Pune, since 5 years now. And this year it was a special event for me. After lockdown of COVID-19, this was really a mesmerizing experience. Jai Hind.